Hi, everyone. I'm Meteorologist Mike Witcher. Thanks for checking out your daily forecast right there at your fingertips. Thanks for downloading the East Tennessee Weather app. It's a great tool. Clear and chilly to start the day. Warmer weather on the way. And that just doesn't stop this weekend. It actually continues throughout much of next week. It's game day, baby. That's right. It's cold this morning, but the orange suit is back. We start off in the 30s this morning. By kickoff at noon, we'll climb into the 50s. Now, we'll see a few clouds start to roll our direction as we get into the afternoon, but it's not going to produce any precipitation, just some high-level clouds hanging out with us. And forecast high temperatures will top out in the upper 60s. So we're going to be trending just a little bit above average throughout the day today. And that's going to make for a picture-perfect evening tonight. From 5, we're at 67, dropping into the mid-50s by 9 o'clock here tonight. So a nice, quiet start to the day and a beautiful warming trend on the way as well. Monday, we're going to start the work week off. Well, after Sunday at 69, we're at 73 on Monday and mid to upper 70s come Tuesday, Wednesday, and maybe Thursday time frame. So there is another warming trend on the way. We stay dry, and that's not good news. By the way, smoke from the Cades Cove burn. Tanvia passing that along via the Witcher's Pictures link on the East Tennessee Weather app. A gorgeous sunset yesterday evening. My wife sent that from Park West Hospital. And Fort Loudon and Von Orr, Tennessee, Beverly Dunn out doing herself on that one. We sure hope you have a great day.